Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best leather shoe conditioner is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked aspects of owning leather shoes. Ensuring your favorite pair remains supple, protected from the elements, and looking its best for years to come requires regular conditioning, and choosing the right product can make all the difference. This video will guide you through the process of selecting and using a leather conditioner, helping you keep your leather shoes in top condition. Number 5. Leather Honey Conditioner. For over 50 years, Leather Honey has been the trusted choice for leather care. It's a family favorite, used for generations to keep leather looking its best. It deeply penetrates to protect new leather and restore dry, old leather. This non-toxic formula is safe for all your leather goods. Soften and moisturize your leather furniture, car seats, shoes, and more. It works wonders on all colors, bringing life back to your favorite leather items. This time-tested formula is water-repellent, non-sticky, and fragrance-free. It will protect your leather from the elements all year long. Made with non-toxic, high-quality ingredients, it's safe for people, pets, and your leather. Enjoy 6 months of lasting protection. Leather Honey is proudly made in the USA. Our premium leather care formulas have a cult following among leather experts and enthusiasts. What we like. It's made with non-toxic ingredients, so it's safe for you, your family, and your leather goods. Plus, it's American-made and provides 6 months of protection. If you value quality, safety, and long-term protection for your leather items, this is the one for you. Number 4. Chemical Guys SPI_109 Leather Kit. This kit is your solution for keeping leather looking its best. It's a 2-part system that cleans and conditions, leaving your leather soft and supple. The pH-balanced cleaner in this kit penetrates deep to lift away dirt, oils, and stains. It's tough on grime but gentle on your leather. The conditioner, enriched with vitamin E, nourishes and restores flexibility. It helps prevent cracking, fading, and premature aging. It's not just for cars. Use it on leather furniture, jackets, shoes, bags, anywhere you have leather goods that need some TLC. Simply apply, wipe, and buff for soft, smooth, and rejuvenated leather. You'll love the luxurious look and feel. With this kit, you can keep all your leather goods looking and feeling their best for years to come. It's the perfect 1-2 punch for complete leather care. What we like. This kit effectively cleans and conditions your leather, using vitamin E to keep it supple. The cleaner deeply penetrates to remove dirt and grime. If you need a powerful duo to restore and protect your leather, this kit is your best bet. What people say. The cleaner worked well to remove dirt and grime, and the conditioner added a subtle, natural shine without being overly greasy or heavy. The application was easy, and I appreciated that it didn't leave any sticky residue behind. My leather seats now feel soft, moisturized, and refreshed. Excellent cleaner makes my light tan leather car seats look like they are brand new. The conditioner keeps it brand new for a while too and makes the seats nice and slick. I also have noticed that it goes a long way to repair damaged leather as well. Number 3. FootMatters Boot and Shoe Spray. Tired of tight shoes? This spray is your solution for comfortable footwear. It softens and stretches various materials for a perfect fit. It doesn't matter what your shoes are made of, this spray works wonders on leather, suede, nubuck, and even canvas. Get the comfort you deserve. This isn't your average shoe spray. It's a professional-grade formula designed to gently stretch and soften your shoes without damaging them. Simply spray it on, let it sit for a few minutes, and then wear your shoes. It's that easy to get a more comfortable fit. This 4-ounce bottle will last you a long time, giving you plenty of uses to keep your shoes feeling great. Get yours today. Finally, a solution for those tight, uncomfortable shoes. This spray will give you the comfort you've been looking for. What we like. It's a spray that stretches and softens leather, suede, and nubuck. It's easy to apply and ideal for breaking in new shoes. If you have tight shoes or need to revitalize suede and nubuck, this is your solution. What people say. I literally just sprayed the inside and the outside of these boots, put the boot stretchers in and stretched the crap out of them. Left them for a couple of hours. They seemed mostly dry. I took out one of the boot stretchers and put my foot in, and holy guacamole. It was like night and day. The width is absolutely perfect now. So comfortable. The instructions were simple. Saturate the areas that is tight with the solution and then go walk around until the solution dries up. Repeat as necessary. I followed the instruction to the T. I sprayed the forefoot and the toe cap area with so much solution I could feel it damp on the inside of the leather. Then I put on the boots and went to IKEA with my wife. We walked around for an hour and I could feel it working as my feet were not hurting. I waited until I tested without using this spray. My leather curling shoes were tight, the stretcher seemed to help, but if I had a few games or needed to wear them for hours it was getting painful. Use this spray over 124 hours in the same shoe stretcher and it is night and day. The shoes are now roomy where I needed them stretched. I can now slide a bit better by not having my toes squeezed together. Number 2. Bickmore Bick 4 Leather Conditioner. For generations, Bick 4 has been the trusted choice for cleaning, polishing, and protecting all types of leather. It's the perfect way to extend the life of your favorite leather goods. Unlike other conditioners, it won't darken your leather. It restores old leather to its original shine and keeps new leather looking its best. This unique formula is completely wax-free, so it won't clog pores. Your leather stays soft, breathable, and residue-free. It's easy to apply and conditions your leather with ease. It's an all-in-one solution for complete leather care. Bickmore is proud to manufacture Bick 4 leather conditioner right here in the United States. Experience quality and craftsmanship you can trust. What we like. It won't darken your leather and is completely wax-free, keeping your leather soft and breathable. It's an all-in-one cleaner and conditioner. If you want to maintain the original color and breathability of your leather, choose this product. What people say. It cleaned and conditioned the leather perfectly without darkening or altering the color, which is exactly what I was hoping for. It brought back a nice soft glow and made the leather feel fresh and supple again. Works really well, very restorative. Had a few leather items to oil, some of which needed it pretty badly, and this brought new life to them all while keeping their earned patina. Easy to use, not messy, and doesn't significantly darken what you're using it on. The leather jacket looks as good as new again, is supple and soft, without any color change after the balm was applied. The shoes look great again, weathered but in good condition, with faint scuff marks just adding some good-looking texture. Number 1. Saphir Medaille Door Renovator. It's more than just a cleaner, it's a complete care solution for your leather shoes. This product will revitalize and protect your investment. Watch as it effortlessly removes dirt and grime, leaving your shoes looking fresh and new. It gently cleans without harsh chemicals. It's not just cleaning, it's conditioning. It replenishes the leather's natural oils, keeping it supple and preventing cracking. This product creates a protective barrier against future damage. It helps maintain the beauty and longevity of your leather shoes. Simply apply it with a soft cloth and watch it work its magic. It's the perfect solution for maintaining your valuable leather goods. For generations, Saphir has been synonymous with exceptional leather care. Experience the difference with our Medaille Door Renovator. What we like. It's an all-purpose cleaner and conditioner for your leather shoes. It cleans and conditions effectively. If you're looking for a versatile solution to keep your leather shoes looking their best, this is a great option. What people say. Application requires a dime size amount, so little goes a long way. Applied with a new chamois cloth, the product melted easily into the leather and provided the shoes with a conditioned shine. The product mitigated some creases and left no color or residue on the shoes. This leather conditioner is a great product for both my black and brown leather shoes. It really gives life back to them and is easy to apply and gives a great subtle shine but may darken the color a tiny bit. After brushing and applying this conditioner, I am absolutely amazed at what Saphir did for them. Not only did it blend in the leather very nicely, but it's also allowed a really pleasing patina to develop as well. It's expensive, but a little bit goes a very long way. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.